Wantiere kod ng'ikruok. Ogai mar DCP Rigathi Gachagua sani owuok oko kawacho ni sirkal duode kendo bolo ne obadho mag njore. Rigathi olero ni sirkal nyocha nomake kendo otude kod bedo kod gilweny mager ataro mar chike mathur kae. Okoni ngimane bende nitie kamarach kendo iboye kod jonjore ma ioro kod sirkal. Jafwambo mar Walter Mbagaluo wach ni kendo miyoga ripodno e yo machal kod mae.
Indakuru koda sumbi mago yuak masani Rigathi Gachagua yuago kendo tiyo ni sirkal nyo pedhe kamwanda kata kamano nyo yudo malingling kendo chikore mugwenyo badho kod otegu manyo yarne endara.
While attending a church service in Gatanga constituency yesterday, Sunday the 18th May 2025, I received intelligence reports that President William Ruto had ordered that I be dealt with once and for all. And since the goons sponsored by the state on several occasions had failed, police and other state security agencies had to come in. This information was communicated to the Inspector General of Police, the Director General of the National Intelligence Service, and the Director of Criminal Investigations by the CS Interior Kipchumba Murkomen, and consequently, a killer squad composed of 101 lethal and dreaded officers.
Gachagua koni sirkal nyocha nopidhone kwiri mager kod gige lweny mager mondo gaje godo ni ene motiyo kod gige lweny makamago. Rigathi okoni neno ne sirkal pi kendo leny koluchore nyaka Nairobi.
Yesterday they were mobilized and cordoned off and blocked all exits from Gatanga constituency. This squad was armed to the teeth and hooded and with masks to conceal their identity because of the heinous acts they wanted to commit on us. At about 2:30 p.m., we received further intelligence from the deployed patriotic officers who are not in agreement with the information that they had clear instructions to plant arms and weapons in our convoy to provide evidence to arrest us and get evidence that they could charge us with in court.
Okoningi mane, mano mar familia mare, kod mwandu nene kamarach, kendo koponi omonjgi, to sirkal biro kauting.
The instructions were to poison me through inhaled chemicals that would paralyze my brain within 3 months.
Rigathi okoni sirkal chano wanyo oko bunde mag joritne, kata doko ni en kod bunde ma opwodhi kod duol machiwo lesen mag bedo kod bunde.
That President Ruto has directed that my private security personnel be disarmed and be targeted for withdrawal of their licenses so that they can leave me vulnerable to allow room for goons to attack and possibly eliminate me.
Rigathi okoni okonyal go report kobila, nemar kobila kuro, emani kodundiegi madwaro ngame.
Report to who? How do you report to the people who are planning to poison your mind so that the brain can be paralyzed and then you become a vegetable?
Walter Ramogi TV, Nairobi.